TM Real Estate Group, a Spanish company with 50 years of experience in the real estate sector and winner of numerous international awards. In Mexico, we developed an innovative concept that combines the purchase of a residence with five-star hotel services. Playa del Carmen is in the Mexican Riviera Maya and is the perfect place to solidify and enjoy your investment. Playa del Carmen is the second fastest growing city worldwide and sustains an increase of approximately 5,000 hotel rooms per year. It also has international connectivity to more than 29 countries and 105 cities, including major cities in the USA and Canada, as well as many capitals of Europe and South America. It is the perfect destination for those looking for a variety of options and experiences, including important Mayan archaeological sites such as Chichen Itza, Tulum, and Coba. This destination also offers endless ecotourism activities. We are the smart way to own a full ownership vacation home in the Caribbean. The Fives properties are aligned with international brands like Hilton and Charisma. Enjoy ownership with five-star hotel benefits and services without having to worry about the rest. In addition, your investment works for you year-round through the rental program and will generate a handsome profit when you sell. Your property is also deeded and titled to provide maximum security. There are 5 main reasons to own at the Fives. We, TM Real Estate Group, remains on-site operating and supervising even after sales have finished to guarantee the highest standards of quality and service traditional to the brand. The Fives offers an exclusive private beach club with spectacular views of the Caribbean Sea from its sophisticated rooftop suites. The proximity to the ocean at both properties creates a significant value to your investment. The Fives Hotels and Residences has defined the worry-free concept. You can enjoy your property without dealing with any maintenance, required furniture and appliance replacement, bill paying, or property management issues. A professional team is at your service to take care of that and more. Aimed to please all 5 senses, this 4-diamond, 5-star hotel offers 12 specialty restaurants, signature bars, a world-class spa, and a variety of entertainment activities, all managed by professional hospitality partners. There is a distinction between a guest and an owner at the Fives Hotel and Residences. The Fives Club is offered exclusively to owners and consists of a professional and committed staff that cater to every owner's needs, ensuring pure pleasure. These are only a few reasons why you should invest in your lifestyle. The Fives Hotels and Residences, an investment in lifestyle like no other.